You've probably seen ads for the Hilaine bra claiming it's super comfy, ultra supportive, and magically fits everyone. But is it actually worth your money or just another too good to be true product? Let's check it out. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public information and personal opinion, so do your own research before spending your cash, especially on products you wear every day. The Hilaine website makes big promises. No wires, breathable fabric, all-day support, and a flawless fit. But the hype doesn't always match the reality. According to Trustpilot, reviews are all over the place. Some buyers are happy with the comfort, but others complain about sizing issues, poor quality, and unresponsive customer service. Plus, malware tips flags the site as one to be cautious with, mainly due to refund problems and questionable marketing. So is the Hilaine bra a scam? Not exactly. It's a real product. And some people like it, but inconsistent sizing, mixed reviews, and sketchy return policies make it a bit of a gamble. If you're curious, just be sure to read the fine print before buying. Try the Hilaine bra, loved it or totally disappointed. Drop your reviews in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more straight up takes on viral products and online stores.